The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is a book written by Stephen Covey, which has become a unique guide to personal development and successful living for millions of readers worldwide. Covey presents 7 key principles that help transform an ordinary person into a successful and effective individual. In this video, we will explore each of these habits and their significance in achieving success in various areas of life. Habit 1. Be proactive. Proactivity is the first and perhaps the most crucial habit among the 7 habits of highly effective people. Proactive individuals take responsibility for their decisions and actions. They do not wait for things to change on their own. They recognize that they are the masters of their destiny and can influence their lives. Covey provides examples of proactivity in various aspects of life, including work, relationships, and personal development. Proactive individuals strive for continuous improvement and the achievement of their goals. They do not seek excuses and do not blame others for their failures. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind is the second key habit that helps individuals focus on their goals and mission in life. Covey emphasizes the importance of creating a personal mission statement that reflects our values, priorities, and objectives. When we know what we want to achieve and who we want to become, we can make decisions and act in alignment with these goals. Defining our end goal helps us stay oriented towards the future and overcome difficulties and obstacles on the path to success. Habit 3. Put first things first. Prioritization is the third habit that Covey discusses in his book. Many of us often experience task overload and the feeling that there is not enough time for everything. Covey argues that it is essential to learn how to identify the most significant tasks and do them first. He introduces the time management matrix, which helps divide tasks into important and urgent categories, so that we can concentrate our efforts on solving the most critical tasks and avoid distractions on less important matters. Habit 4. Think win-win. Think win-win is a habit that helps us find solutions that benefit all parties in an interaction. Covey explains that we often find ourselves in situations where our interests conflict with the interests of others. However, think win-win mentality involves seeking solutions that satisfy both sides. Instead of fighting for our interests at the expense of others, we can look for options that will be beneficial to everyone. This habit strengthens relationships and fosters long-term partnerships. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Empathy is the 5th habit that Covey addresses. Understanding and empathizing with others allows us to build quality relationships and communicate effectively. Covey encourages us to listen to others with genuine interest and try to understand their emotions and needs. When we understand each other, we collaborate better and solve problems more efficiently. Habit 6. Synergize. Synergy is the 6th habit that Covey presents in his book. He urges us to work in teams and strive for synergy, interaction that produces results greater than the sum of individual efforts. Covey emphasizes that we can achieve more by working together, exchanging ideas, and supporting each other. Synergistic collaboration enhances efficiency and helps achieve significant goals. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. The 7th and final habit, sharpen the saw, is about continuous self-improvement. Covey calls for us to focus on personal development and education to become the best versions of ourselves. He stresses the importance of balancing physical, intellectual, spiritual, and emotional aspects of our lives. We should strive for constant growth and learning throughout our lives. In conclusion, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey is a powerful guide to personal effectiveness and success in various areas of life. Each of the 7 habits represents valuable principles that help us become better versions of ourselves and achieve harmony and success in life. I hope you can take something important from this video. Believe in yourself and your endeavors. Good luck, my friend. Take care of yourself.